Ooh. Okay. All right, we are live. Cool. So, it's 7:11. I woke up a little late today. Uh, yeah, it was cold, so it was very hard for me to wake up. But quick update. The date is October 27. So we're just looking at our current positions at the moment. We entered Uber yesterday around 8 o'clock, which is around this point. And yeah, it looks like stocks going according to plan. Did a pre-market test at resistance, and now we're dropping back down. I am looking at the $45 price range to maybe exit my position. Let me see. Yeah, I think 45 would be a good point, but it looks like RSI, we're losing momentum as well on it. So we might be able to push another day as lower lows are kind of occurring. Let's see, earnings November 5th. Okay, so right now we're also in QQQ that we entered yesterday. So it looks like QQQ haven't made a new high yet. It's 712. So yeah, we'll see how it plays out. We're a little bit below the pivot line at the moment. Looks like I honestly think QQQ might be a balance day unless something big happens. CRM, we might be able to enter this soon actually. This was something I was looking at because if you remember me going over on the day chart, it's yearly chart. It's very overextended, but we don't have a lot of selling pressure at the moment. Yeah, so we should wait on this a little bit longer. I think we'll set alert for it. Below pivot line, we'll get in. What else do we have? We have an AMD position. All right, so it looks like AMD, we're taking a loss on it so far. It's, oh, okay. So definitely a new low compared to yesterday, but also new high pre-market. Wait, was that pre-market? Okay, so we know AMD is probably range bound for today. Let's look at the volume. All right, most of the shorts is on this candle. So we blow past this candle right here. We're probably gonna be testing high of day again. We're pretty close to it. I have my alert set. So AMD, we're gonna try to exit. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely buyers and sellers are trying to find the right price right now. See which direction to go. So yeah, Uber's the only contract we're really up on at the moment. So the $45 price mark is price point would be our exit for short term. And don't mind the lines, they're just my target area. Let me just make sure we're getting audio. Okay. Alright, looks like VIX is starting to pick up a little bit. We're still above pivot point. Ooh, this could get fun. Let's see. So it looks like tech selling off. Looks like energy sector. Oh, healthcare. I want to see banks because looks like banks are still holding in there below pivot line. Ooh, new lows on banks. Okay. ARC. I don't know, guys. I think PayPal is selling off hard. I think SPX is starting something here, guys. Looks like everything's starting to roll over a little bit. We have a lot of buyers here, so if we get below that, we are dropping. Let's see, someone's Meanwhile, I'm gonna look for some potential. Oh my god, Snap is getting clapped. Over Chewy. What is this? Chewy. Chewy's a potential short, actually. Google is popping off. So Google had earnings not too long ago. AKA yesterday. It looks like our Uber contract's moving a little. VIX is moving. It's not, VIX isn't exploding yet. So that means I'm not sure how I feel about the AMD contract. It's definitely gonna take some more time. Yeah, so it looks like buyers are stepping in even at this price. I think AMT we might have to wait another day. It's definitely overextended, but it's gonna take some more time before it rolls over. I think, in my opinion, we'll see how today plays out. So we're down about $40 from 1,000. 940. It's our account value at the moment, around there. So let's see. Q is bouncing back off of yesterday's lows. I have class at 8:30. Looks like a lot of the sectors are red at the moment, actually. Okay, I haven't used this in a while. Where are my charts? I don't think it was this one. I don't think it was just the right steady. Cumulative tick. Get our ratio line. Okay, there we go. So events decline. This is for spiders. So we're 0.6. NYSE is 1.85 to 1. NASDAQ is okay, so it looks like tech is actually pretty strong. 80 line is at negative 600. Cumulative. Okay, so we're going negative now. So if we are to roll over, it will be around this time. Okay, looks like we're really losing value on the AMD contract at the moment. It's okay. So looks like AMD was definitely very high on IV when we bought it yesterday before earnings. Um, so our AMD contract's at 120, which is actually not too bad. So it's right over here. It's definitely range bound within the next week if we were to get that pullback. We're gonna try to get out of that one on a high volatility day and try to get as much money back as possible. VIX is moving up a little bit. Oh, looks like we got. Okay. I thought it was a negative 1,000 read, but it's not. No, it's 500. Looks like we're 2-1 now on an IC. Offense decline is falling. SPY's coming down as well. Sectors are red. Looks like QQQ isn't moving with the market, so tech is probably holding up the market at the moment. Let's see what we have here. So I'm gonna assume it's Google doing a lot of the work today because they're very much green. Let's see, Spotify, Google, Microsoft, yep. AMD is one of them. Oh, it's green. What? Interesting. D-Dog. I was thinking about shorting this one yesterday. That would have been a good one. Yeah, the reason why I wanted to short D-Dog was definitely overextended. And there's another reason. I can't remember. But anyways, so D-Dog selling off. Dude, what's happened to PayPal recently? Looks like ARC's coming down. Okay. Looks like market's getting carried by tech right now. I do kind of want to get into CRM soon. I think what we'll do is CRM is considered tech too. If this market's gonna be tech focused and like tech is gonna push it up, it's probably not a good idea to short CRM. Yeah, so it looks like Spider's barely hanging there right now. Um, what's the time? 7:30. Yeah, you won't. The market won't really come down unless all sectors are coming down. Um, Usually, what happens is either tech holds up the market or financials, industrials. Um, so at this rate, if tech doesn't come down, we're probably gonna have a balanced day. But according to Spy, we are definitely overall market is kind of towards the negative side. So yeah, Nasdaq still positive. Until we break yesterday's low, I don't think SPY's gonna come down. Let's see how NQ is looking. Yeah, it's definitely tech season or earnings season at the moment. So we're still waiting on that. So we're break even on VIX. Okay, Uber's getting really close to our price target. I mean, it's very possible Uber has a continuation tomorrow on the downside. Um, but just to, be safe, we'll probably cut profits soon. I don't really like the level 2 on Thinkorswim, but let me see. I do want to have some kind of level 2 open, so but I also don't want to slow down my computer too much since we're live. It looks like my CPU is already maxing out a little bit. Yeah, advanced decline is falling. Dude, AMD is strong. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I think what we'll do is change our Uber short to USO or oil. So we'll get our Ubers soon. How many contracts do we have? Two for Uber. Should we sell one and hold one? No, we'll sell two. Alright, we're out. And then USO. Yeah, USO, we'll get in the short. Let's do next week out. $58. Did it hit 58? Oh yeah, definitely. Okay. So let's go with this one. Sorry, I want to see how much cash I have right now. 340. Okay. So by 6 of that. Oh, do we enter at 47? Yikes. So we're out of Uber. So let's get rid of it. And then, yeah, I think this is probably the only change I'm gonna make today. That was definitely a strong sell candle on oil. So I'm below pivot line. So we're gonna stick with this one for a while. Looks like probably try. Yeah, we're below. The most volume candle of today. So whoever's buying are probably covering, which is gonna make the price go down even more. Now let's find a target area. So our first target area, okay, we're by it. Of course, we got our most volume here. Another volume area here. So this is probably gonna take at least a day or two to hit these price points. Okay, so why I took the USO short real quick, guys, is because first of all, if you look at the daily chart, we definitely made a high right here, right? And look at this candle. All the volume here in this candle was below cover all this volume here from these 2 days, right? So these people that are long, who try to go long here, who try to go long here, they're trapped, right? Because they're below that point right here. So if you're trapped, what do you have to do? You have to cover. So you have to sell your position, right? And what happens when you sell? The price of the stock goes lower. So I don't think buyers are really stepping into maybe try to step in maybe 56, 70. Okay. We'll see. Looks like financials are rolling over a little bit as well. How are bank stocks doing? BAC down. Still green today? Oh no. Let's see, city. City's red. Is PayPal considered financials? I'm not sure. I would say it's tech. Yeah, it looks like it's literally Microsoft, like just pushing the market up. Oh, healthcare. UNH is doing pretty good. Should we cut losses here and switch to weaker sectors? Because once QQQ goes past this, then we're probably gonna be making all-time highs. How would they do this? Oh, gap it up. Maybe we should got more time on USO. Yeah, from 2020 when COVID first hit. Big old drop, I remember. $54 left. I do maybe wanna. I do want to get something bank related. Okay, we're gonna play weekly contract just for BAC. 2 days, 35 cents or $35. What was it? 45. Okay, so it's at the money pretty much. 47.50 at the money for 35 cents. So anything below that, I think we will hit something. Sorry, I'm gonna pull up something real quick. Dude, Robin Hood's getting clapped. Alright, so we're in the money for BAC contract. I'm looking at. Oh. Okay, a lot of volumes being transacted. Yeah, so it looks like we're falling below 47. Buyers are stepping in. This is a lot of volume being transacted here. So if we get back above 47.55, we're probably up to the upside. Pivot point of the day on USO is $58. PayPal's still going down? What? Alright, it's 8 o'clock. I gotta get ready for class. But we're gonna check back in maybe before market closes. And then I'll do like a end of the day review on the new positions. And yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, everyone.